everyone. We are at the stall of Phillips Machine Tools, and we can't get enough of hearing the success stories of Phillips Machine Tools from none other than their customers who can give the bestest of feedback. I'm having with us Mr. Amit Pathak from Petrotech, and sir, you stepped up with Phillips long back in 2012. And since then, you are using their technology. How has been the experience and the journey working with Phillips Machine Tools?
This machine was bought in 2012, and since 2012 I think we are using this machine since almost like all three shifts. We are running this machine in cast iron, which is very worst conditions, and we are having very wonderful experience in terms of service, in terms of quality, in terms of accuracy. We are very happy with Phillips and the Haas. Especially I would like to thank to this entire service team, because this is a long association. Initially all the machines is providing good quality, but after 3 years, 4 years, when the problem starts, and at that point of time the service support is very much essential, and at that we have not faced much issues, but whenever we face an issue, then the entire service team is available. Even they have not looked up at their working time, week off days. Even when we call up at 6 o'clock or at midnight at 11 o'clock or something like that, Amit is there and the entire team. I would like to especially thank Amit and the entire service team. They are very wonderful. We buy the machine because of the brand of the machine. But when we go for the second time, the repeat customer is coming mainly because of the service support.
Last one thing I would like to understand from you, if you have a look at this wonderful stall here, there is not just a one or two technologies, HMCs, VMCs, but a lot of other technologies also presented by Phillips Machine Tools, which are making the manufacturing process more and more efficient. So in order to make your manufacturing more efficient, which technology by Phillips you would like to adopt in future?
I have seen this Hermle, and the technology which Hermle is having is really wonderful. Our component is not needing that technology, but if I have all the freedom and all those things, then I would like to buy this Hermle. It is one of the best machines which is providing the best accuracy.
Thank you so much for giving your honest feedback to us, sir, and thank you so much everyone for watching us.